So here, good afternoon, yeah. Thank you. Good afternoon, world. It's about here. Good day. The date's about March 2. So today is about Wednesday. Thanks God for our day in life, yeah. There. And the time is about 4:45, and the climate is 29 degrees Celsius. The weather is about mostly cloudy. And Heart is Pure Care as helping people's health, that's life. Together with the American Heart Association, American Stroke Association, British Heart Foundation, prevention is better than cure with Arwen Ergometer, the stress test machine for the electronic millennium, with a training program of 135, 1 hour, continuous without stopping with tension and break, 3 times a week, yeah. And then 5 minutes the water station. Again, pinaka-friendly ni siyang Arwen Ergometer for the kids and adults, yeah. You can bring anywhere. And the only manual machine proven and tested in the patient with oxygen machine discharged by the hospital. Without it, cannot breathe, no, but recovered. Tested first before out in the market with prayer. Now, while the program is 18 months, last 4 months already, and our due date is August 23. And why I'm gonna help the Cebu government, no, promote the tourism? So I'm helping the Cebu government promote the tourism. So much more fun in Cebu, Philippines. We are delighted to serve you with a smile. So in here, the entrance. So come again. We are delighted to serve you with a smile. Come on, say it again. Why much more fun in here? Because we have our flag carrier, the Cebu Pacific Airlines, and Sinulog Mardi Gras, the Mother of All Festival, and Bis Lechon, the Ritos Lechon, and home the World Guinness Record is the dancing inmates and the dance sports, and home of the Arwen Ergometer, the stress test machine for the electronic millennium. And special thanks for my partner for life, the YouTube and the Google team. Thanks for spreading the good news. Yahoo, Microsoft, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, LinkedIn, High5, Tumblr, and Viki.com. And special thanks to all the subscribers and the viewers. So again, so Hearty Satina po, naka-Arwen Ergometer. So this is the Ateneo of Cebu, no, the Sacred Heart School. So we're here, we are inside, yeah. Again, come and visit us. So this is the school by the Ateneo, yeah, Ateneo de Cebu. They're so nice in here. Come and visit us. There. So track and field, the Ateneo, yeah. There, school. That's our patient, yeah, si Yuan. There, on the left. There, so nice in here. There. So we're inside the school, the premises of Ateneo. No, we are the Ateneo Earthers. We excel, we lead, we serve, yeah. There you are. Basketball there. Left 360. Taekwondo, yeah. So we're here inside of the Ateneo Cebu. Father Julian Hernando HG Athletic Field. There. Sacred Heart School, Ateneo de Cebu. There. So a lot of buildings in here. Why? Because they are progressive. Yeah? We are very progressive together with the help the Cebu government and the Philippines, yeah, with tuwid na daans, with President Noy. Very good. So here again, so again, can you say it, please? Much more fun in Cebu, Philippines. We are delighted to serve you with a smile. Thank you and good day.